Hey friends, today I'm going to go to Kalpani. I'm going to venture into Kalpani. Actually, I'm trying to find out the history behind Kalpani. During the afternoon, it is very pleasant because you can just walk it, do your shopping, do your marketing, and then you can just come back walking in the evening. Shade when you walk in the evening time. Now, almost the river is just behind these homes that you find here. Just behind that, the flood which had occurred in 2004-2003, it had really eaten away all the mud and paddy fields which were along this village. See this road was once very lifeline of us. When the flood occurred, this road was the main road where we could go to the city or go to the towns or go to the railway station, Barpeta Road. So that was the road before. Now the flood has not come this year, so they had built a bridge and we are going to go on top of the bridge which is made. So I'm coming right on top of the Kalpani bridge. Recently they had made it maybe 5 years ago. I am on Kalpani bridge. This bridge, as you can see, is very nice to look at and not much of a river. You can see now here all have become stone quarries, but it was a big settlement in the past, but now it has become quite barren with all the quarry and other things are going around. You can see far off places stone crusher machines have been set up and it has really changed. Okay, this is another section of the bridge, that river you see, Kalpani river. I do not know the real name of this river, but we call it the Kalpani river, and it's coming from Manas. Remember, Manas is just across that area. There is this forest, Manas National Park, and that the hills you can see faintly is the Bhutan hills. It is around 22 kilometers from here. From there this river originates and it flows through the Manas National Park, and then it comes beside the Beki river. So this is the river which is called locally as Kalpani river. So I am right now standing on the banks of this river Kalpani, and I have got this guy, old senior man, who is going to exactly tell us where Kalpani was and how it started and all the history of Kalpani. Remember, we are going to learn about Kalpani and the past for the old generation and for the new generation. It is a new opportunity for us to revive and learn about Kalpani. It's such a wonderful place. I'm standing on the banks of this river and you can just cool down, relax and chill out here. Okay, I'll not waste much time. Now I'm going to call him up and he's going to tell us exactly the history of Kalpani. So I will invite sir. আপনি অলপ কালপানীৰ বিশেষটো কৈ দিয়কচোন। হিষ্ট্ৰীটো আমি জানিব বিচাৰোঁ যে কালপানী কেনেকুৱা, কোন চনত আৰম্ভ হৈছে, কোন চনতে স্থাপনা হৈছিল, কি কি আছিল আৰু ক'ত আছিল, সেইটো আপুনি দেখাই দিব। আপোনাৰ নামবিলাক আপুনি কৈ দিয়ক।
এই কালপানী বজাৰ যিটো, এইটো আচলতে উপনাম, এই নদীৰ নাম দি কালপানী বজাৰটো নাম ৰখা হৈছে। আৰু এই কালপানী বজাৰটো আচলতে 1951 চনত কালপানী বজাৰ স্থাপন হৈছিল। আৰু এই স্থাপন হোৱাৰ আগত কিছুমান নেতৃস্থানীয় মানুহ আছিল। সেইসকল আছিল কলাগাঁৱৰ গিৰীশ বড়ো, সোণবাৰীৰ ভদ্ৰেশ্বৰ নাথ, আর দণ্ডিৰাম নাথ, তাৰপিছত কমলেশ্বৰ নাথ, এনেকৈ বিশিষ্ট মানুহবিলাকে বহি এই কালপানী বজাৰ সম্পৰ্কে আলোচনা কৰে। আৰু এই আলোচনাত মই সেই সময়ত বয়স প্ৰায় 14-15 বছৰ, তেতিয়াৰ কথা মোৰ মনত আছে। আৰু এতিয়া সেই বিশিষ্টসকলৰ ভিতৰত আছিল কলবাৰী গাঁৱৰ এই ভূপেশ্বৰ আহাৰ বাপে, কমলেশ্বৰ আৰু চাফা কামাৰৰ আছিল চেখা মেম্বাৰ বড়ো মানুহ আৰু গলাগাঁৱৰ আছিল আমাৰ গিৰিশ বড়ো। তেওঁলোকৰ নেতৃত্বত এই বাজাৰখন স্থাপন হয় আৰু সেই বাজাৰখনত এতিয়া এইখিনি জেগাতে আছিল।
দেখাই দিয়ক আমাৰ বাজাৰটো ক'ত আছিল, দেখাই দিয়ক।
এই চাওক, এই শিলৰ থোপা যি দুটা আছে এইখিনিতে আছিল। আৰু এই উত্তৰ ফালে আমাৰ শংকৰ সোঁৱৰণি সংঘ এটা মন্দিৰ আছিল আৰু সেই একে তাৰিখতে সেই মন্দিৰটো স্থাপন কৰিল আৰু সেই বাজাৰখনো কালপানী নদীৰ নামেদি আমাৰ কালপানী বাজাৰখনৰ নাম ৰাখিলে।
কালপানী নদীটোৰ নাম কেনেকুৱা পাইছে?
কালপানী নদীটোৰ আছিল আচলতে ইয়াতে এখন দলং আছিল, কাঠৰ দলং। সেই দলংখনৰ আশে-পাশে মস্ত দ আছিল আৰু একদম ক'লা আছিল পানীবিলাক। সেইকাৰণে এই নদীটোৰ নাম ৰখা হৈছিল, তেওঁলোকে কোৱা কথা যে এই কালপানী নদী। এই কালপানী নদী কিনাৰতে এই বাজাৰখন ৰখা হৈছিল এই শংকৰ মন্দিৰৰ উত্তৰ চাইডে। এই উত্তৰ চাইডত বহুদিন থাকিল। 2007 আমাৰ এই নামঘৰটো উঠাই নিলে আৰু বাজাৰখনো উঠাই গ'ল। তাৰপিছত এতিয়া আমি এই বিশিষ্ট মানুহ কিছুমান লগ লাগি আমি এই কালপানী বজাৰখন আমাৰ PWDৰ পশ্চিম চাইডে নিয়া হ'ল। তাতে এই বাজাৰখন আছে আৰু ৰাইজৰ সহযোগতে এই বাজাৰখন আমি অলপ উন্নত কৰাৰ চেষ্টা কৰি আছোঁ। এতিয়া আমাৰ এই নামঘৰটোৰ বিষয়ে আৰু এই কালপানী বাজাৰখনৰ বিষয়ে আচলতে এটা মথনগুৰিৰ ওচৰত গুণ্ডা বিল আছে। সেই গুণ্ডা বিলটো ভাঙি আমাৰ খেতি পথাৰত লগি পানী অহাৰ এটা সম্ভাৱনা দেখি আমাৰ বিশিষ্ট মানুহবিলাকে তেওঁলোকে চৰকাৰক আবেদন কৰি কিছু টকা তাতে মঞ্জুৰ হয় আৰু সেই টকাখিনি আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ মানুহৰ আগত মেচিন একো নাছিল, তো গাঁৱৰ মানুহেদি কাম কৰিছিল। সেই কাম কৰা টকা যিখিনি পাইছিল সেই টকাখিনি দি বাজাৰ আৰু আমাৰ শংকৰ সোঁৱৰণি এই মন্দিৰটো স্থাপন কৰে। এতিয়া মোৰ নামটো এবাৰ অৱশেষত কওঁ যে মোৰ নাম বিপিন চন্দ্ৰ নাথ, পিতাৰ নাম দণ্ডিৰাম নাথ, চাকিন সোণবাৰী আৰু BTAD। এতিয়া এইখিনি হ'ল মোৰ।
আপোনাৰ বয়স কিমান হৈ আছে?
এতিয়া মোৰ বয়স 84 বছৰ, ৰানিং চলি আছে।
We came to this shop. This is a hotel because our senior man, Mr. Bipin Nath. A interesting fact I came to know about him. You know, this guy is a ex-army. Somewhere in কোন চনত আপুনি আৰ্মিত আছিল?
মই ভৰ্তি হৈছিলোঁ 1956 চনত।
Okay, 1956.
ৰিটায়াৰ হ'লোঁ 1973 চনৰ জানুৱাৰী।
Okay, so he served in the army from 1956 to 71 here. 71. Retired?
Retired 1971.
Okay, he retired in 1971. So this guy has seen the world, man. In those years, imagine 1956 and all, he was in the army, he served in the Indian Army in the medical corps.
Medical corps, Army Medical Corps.
Okay, he was in the Army Medical Corps. So you can imagine there are some very old people here, and right beside me on this side also you see one very senior man. He says, I also was there when the Kalpani was just made. He could not stand outside, it is quite warm. You know, we are sweating. So I had to bring him up into this hotel and take shelter. So these are the very interesting facts about this man. And we got the right man to tell us the history about Kalpani. So हम आशा करते हैं कि आप लोग काल्पनिक जो नए जेनरेशन के हैं, ये लोग काल्पनिक को आप लोग नहीं जानते थे। काल्पनिक कहाँ से शुरू हुआ, कहाँ से ख़त्म हुआ। आज हम लोग सर बिपिन नाथ के साथ बैठ करके हम लोग पुराना इतिहास जो काल्पनिक का है, जो बाज़ार का है, उसको हम लोग जान पाए। इसलिए हम लोग मिस्टर बिपिन नाथ को बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं। अरे आप तो आर्मी के हैं इसलिए सैल्यूट तो मारना पड़ेगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर, आपका इंफॉर्मेशन, आपका टाइम जो आप दिए हम लोग को कि ये ब्लॉग बना सके काल्पनिक के बारे में, दिखा सके दुनिया को कि हाँ है, काल्पनिक भी एक जगह है जो दुनिया नहीं जानती है, वो दुनिया आज आपका थ्रू से और ये ब्लॉग का थ्रू से पहचान सकेगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच सर। Hi friends, I hope you enjoyed going through Kalpani Bazaar. I had made it raw as it is, how it is. Kalpani, if you go today, you'll find it in the same way. Nothing has changed except that people will change who come to shop and all. So my wife and myself, we had gone, purchased few things for the day, and the people of that place, the way it is not much a difference. But then it was tough. I really sweat. It was hot, humid, but I enjoyed it. I hope you will enjoy it also, because you know, making blogs when we go out to do all this kind of outdoor blogs, it is hot out here in Assam right at present. We are experiencing 30 to 35 degrees of heat, humidity. It's really tough, but then please appreciate my work by subscribing and sharing it with your friends, and let's come to know about our place. Our place is beautiful. It has so many things which we need to observe and learn and share to others. So let's share what we have in our place so that others also will know that we live in a beautiful place here in this state of Assam, especially in Baksa district, BTAD, Assam. Thank you very much and continue to follow me. And remember last time when I had put the blog on ASA, they were all Adivasi Student Association of Assam. I got very good response from you fellas. Thank you very much. Please continue to share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next blog, which I'll be making on some of the lodges which are surrounding Manas National Park. Okay, right in front of me you see the Kalpani Bazaar main road. This road leads to Barpeta Road, and this goes on towards Manas National Park. And I am coming to Anwar. This guy is a very great businessman. Anwar, his shop is here. So you see Anwar is all muffed up with his muffler. Anwar bhai, salam alaikum. ठीक है यार. Then I come to this next guy, which is one of our neighbors, and they have this big 3 blocks, 3 rooms they have occupied with their hardware stores, and both the brothers are sitting here. And let's go through their shops and what all the things there. They have all the paints and everything is there. Okay, I'm standing in the 3 alley. This leads to Sonbari. You can see some of the shops there. They are the last of the shops in Kalpani Bazaar. Actually, you can say this is the old Kalpani Bazaar. DTP Center. Oh, they have prepared some beautiful things. Let's see what all they have made. ये क्या है? अंडा चॉप. अंडा का पकौड़ा है. ओ बहुत अच्छा दिखाई दे रहा है. ये कितना करके है पीस? 5 रुपये. So he says it is 5 rupees. This is egg chop made by egg, and it is called 5 rupees. और ये next वाला क्या है? ये बोरा बोलता है. बोरा बोलता है. हाँ. ये क्या से बना हुआ है? प्याज से. प्याज से बना हुआ है. And then you see this bora or pakora or whatever you call it. Very nice to eat with tomato sauce, and he's frying some more. He's making some more. So this guy is doing well, looks like. He's making all these kind of things. The bazaar looks deserted, you know, because a barber shop is there. People are there in the barber shop. Or they're having good haircut. Then we go ahead to this side of this. I want to show you another thing of Kalpani, and that is, I'll go to the right lane. Well, this is behind Kalpani Bazaar, and you have a SBI service center point here. Okay, now I am entering the main market. Hey guys, if you are interested in pan, look at this pan leaf. ये पान का पत्ता ये कितना का है? हाँ? Oh, this is only 10 rupees. Oh, so cheap man. 10 rupees only. कितना पीस है इसमें? There are 20 pieces in this. This is costing only 10 rupees. Wow, you can make your mouth red with this. और ये भी 20 रुपया. This guy is selling tobacco leaves. These are tobacco leaves which are dried. So one piece is being sold for eta kiman kori? Etu kiman kori? Or this is 2 rupees. For one leaf of this tobacco leaf, it is 2 rupees. This is muri. Okay, fine. Heavy sales is going on. Betel nut, tobacco. आज क्यों पाইছি আপনাকে কালকে বাজার বন্ধ আছে আজকে ঠিক জায়গা পাইছি না আপনাকে ভালো 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 I used to come to this guy, you know, this guy used to sell these bananas and his bananas are very good. He's a nice guy. ভালো আছেন ঠিক আছে ঠিক আছে Now I'm going to go to the fish market. My missus also is here. Come to the fish market. But before I go to the fish market, I'll look at the milk. They are selling milk also. लीटर कितना करके है मिल्क 50 रुपया ज़्यादा नहीं बोल दिया आगे तो 40 रुपया था Hey, one fish jump man, one fish is jumping here. Look at this guy almost lost his fish. And we have so many types of fishes here. ये क्या मछली है ये this is the local roe and this is bata. This is bata and this guy selling this plus this. A lot of fish is being sold here. Oh, look at the varieties of fish here. भाई साहब ये क्या मछली है हाँ गान मागुर पोवा कितना So the powa is 100 rupees. It's expensive but it looks fresh. It looks fresh. ये छोटा वाला मछली That is 50 rupees. That is straight from the river, fresh one, river fish. Okay guys, thank you very much. I don't have money to buy. चले मैं And these fish have come exported, so they are. ये क्या मछली है? रूपचंदा है. Okay, nice. This looks tasty, but I think too much fat is there in this. Another small fish here, beautiful man, real tasty. You fry it with oil, chili and all, you know. It'll be real tasty. You can have it with your beer also if you like it. And this is another chengri fish here. Look at it man, fresh, just fresh. These guys are enjoying. Hey, I know this guy man. This guy, I used to buy fish from him and his father is sitting here. Last Sunday I caught him in the bazaar selling fish and he's selling all this kind of fish. Looks great man, great. ये रो है रो का कितना करके किलो 60 rupees powa. That means 240 rupees a kg. And buy this. So we have all these fishes being sold here. You see all these men coming and then we come to this fish. This guy doesn't have place. All these fish are being sold here. Okay, now I'm taking you to this mutton guy. Oh, you get mutton also in Kalpani. Look at this man. In Kalpani also we get mutton. Mutton किलो कितना करके है 600 रुपया 600 rupees kg. Oh, patha hai bolta hai. It's a male one, so don't worry, you will get a good one. Yeah. This is one of the corner hotels of Kalpani, very famous for pakora, bora, and I used to come and eat malpua. These malpuas are very tastily made, so I used to enjoy. And you get lots of customer, even though his condition of the hotel is such. I think it leaks when it rains, but still, this guy mints money. And this is son, I think. लड़का है ना? आपका पिताजी है? Okay, good. He's helping his father. Now the guy is selling all kinds of things. I'll not go too close. So this is also another shop which we have. So I'll go towards. Oh, this is chicken broiler. He's selling broilers. He will clean it up for you, then he will dress it up for you, then he will sell it like that. Oh, keji kiman kori? Oh, kata tu. Okay, it is 240 rupees a kg for this dressed one. They're going to shown you this guy. His sons are doing that hardware store there. Then we have this great man, a great medical person. Whenever we get diarrhea, dysentery, or any kind of sickness, he used to come. Nice to see you, man. Thank you. I'm going towards the vegetable bazaar. I see some of my friends here. This is a bookstore, only bookstore in Kalpani. Oh, now we come to the vegetable part. Fresh ones. These are fresh vegetables coming out. Again, you have bananas. A lot of bananas. Then you have umorok. Those who are from Manipur, you will see these are the king chili, umorok. It's char ka kinna karke hai? It's 10 rupees for 4 pieces that they are laid down. That's cheap. It's very good chili. Oh, another interesting thing I see here. ये क्या है? लेट्टो है. लेट्टो. ये एक तोड़ के दिखा तो हमको. I is staring and we'll see how it is inside. आप खा लो तो उसको भी. आस्ते से खाना यार. मीठा है. आप तो मिठाई बोलेगा ना, आपका चीज है. Anyway. नहीं, thank you. We have pumpkin here. He's tying. Oh, you see, Kalpani is really good. And then we come to the dry fish. This is the dry fish section. All kinds of fish. Dried ones you can get here. I like that fish. This fish, you can make chutney with that. Anyway, you guys are doing well, looks like, Then let's come to the bazaar, which is really known for its local stuff. Most of the local things you will get here, straight from their gardens. I see king chili again. This is the leaf, if you put this leaf in your meat and other curries, it gives a beautiful smell. So once you try, I don't know what's the name of this, but it is a very beautiful leaf to put in your non-veg food. So guys, and this is another leaf, is found in the roadside. This leaf is found in the roadside and they just pluck it from the place and they sell it. It must be 10-20 bucks. Kimanora say too? Oh, this is only 10 bucks. No, bitter leaves. ये क्या का पत्ता है? Oh, this is jute leaf. This is jute leaf, man. It must be very bitter. ये कितना करके है? Oh, this bunch of jute leaf is sold for 10 bucks. Interesting. Then we come to this fruit section. All fruits are being sold here. Lemon. We bought it. I see jamun here. There is jamun. I swear, man, this jamun will be tasty. Again I get this. I think this is the season of this litku. Everywhere it is found. Then pumpkins, bananas, litku. We find pears are here. Oh, pears have come from where? बरबड़ा रोड से, लेकिन इधर ठंडा देश का जगह का है ना, शिलोंग से आया होगा. हाँ. Then another thing you see here, this is the banana flower. Okay, I think I have covered most of them. And they are selling jackfruits here, big ones. Big jackfruits are sold here. Man selling chicken, fish. Oh, I found my wife. Just go to her. Hey, what did you buy?
I'm buying this like coriander leaves, but in Manipur, it is very cheap. So for 15 rupees, 2 bunch. It is very tasty. It's very tasty.
Ah, she says it is very cheap, so she is taking a bunch of it. Okay, mommy, see you. Oh, Bipin. Hey, I met this guy again in the morning, remember? He's here. And I have already talked to him. So মই অলপ বাজাৰ ঘূৰি লওঁ দে. বাজাৰ ঘূৰিব গৈ আছো. I want to meet this guy. You know, this guy, he is a student. He is reading in class 8. Class 8 में पढ़ता है ना? अभी लॉकडाउन के चलते he has become the salesman of his father. His father used to sit here, but because of the lockdown he is stuck and he is doing this. Anyway guys, now I go to the next guy. I am going to my friend's shop. मेरा दोस्त का दुकान में जा रहा है. ओ मेरा दोस्त यहाँ पर है. अरे भैया क्या कर रहा है? हाँ, मन्नान शर्मा रहा है. मन्नान ये हमारा बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. Okay, then his brother is the one who is selling broilers. So he is going to. No, I'm not. 130 rupiah kilo. That's cheap. Okay. Then we go to this fruit stalls. These are the fruit stalls. They have lot of mangoes. Some grapes also are there. Apricot also is there. Oh भैया, ये आम क्या नाम है इस आम का?
आम जोसरी.
Josuri. So Josuri आम looks like this. He has two qualities of mangoes. Good, very nice. Here's some apples also. Then we come to another fruit seller. He's selling. Look at this peach, man. This is peach. This guy is buying peach. He has just come from Shillong, Nagaland or wherever. This must be beautiful to eat. किलो कैसे करके है ये?
80 रुपये.
So kilo is 1 kg is 80 rupees. It looks so juicy, huh?
I bought one piece.
This is the guy, you know, who will do all your recharging of all your dish TV, mobile, whichever company, great help to me. In the night also I used to call him. Thank you fellow man. ভালো আছেন? ঠিক ঠিক ঠিক।
Take control. I am losing grip that I know. You're turning me on. Heart of my soul. Take control. I am losing grip that I know. You're turning.
This is Mintu variety. This guy is a rich guy, you know. He's one of the great salesmen of this place. I'll just go and visit and say hello to him. Bhaiti, কেনে আছা? ভালে আছে, ঠিক আছে। He's the eldest, he's the boss of this shop. Okay, now I've come to this Suben. Hey, this is a barber shop, man. This is barber shop that we are coming. I see. Ronjalu's daddy is getting a haircut. And during this lockdown period, they modified and made and repaired this barber shop. And the Malik is very happy. It looks clean with all the tiles and all. मस्त लग रहा है अभी ना। Let's go to my friend Chandru. मेरा दोस्त चंद्रू कैसा है? अरे मोबाइल में बिजी है। चंद्रू भाई कैसा है? सब ठीक है? ठीक है, he is busy with his call. You can get everything here. And this is repair center of all the electronical things. He's repairing the fan which is broken, and he has a big shop with all kinds of repair work. Okay, the Ajay Pal's shop is the last one. Then this side you come to the end part of Kalpani Bazaar, and in the morning we came to this place.